This tutorial demonstrates how to transform your design images into editable Elementor pages using Img2elementor. You will learn to upload designs, customize elements, and export them for use in WordPress. Click the area labeled Drag your design here, or click to select a file to open the file selection dialog. Supported formats include PNG, JPEG, and WEBP. Enter the path to your design image file to upload it for conversion. This file will be used as the source for generating Elementor code. Click the Analyze and Convert button to begin processing your uploaded design image into editable Elementor elements. Click the Edit Text option to modify textual content detected in your design within the Elementor preview editor. Fill in the text field with your desired title to replace the existing text in the design preview. Click the Apply Change button to save your text edits and update the design preview accordingly. Provide instructions on what changes you want to make to the selected element, such as changing text, resizing, recoloring, or adjusting spacing. Enter the instruction to make the button blue, specifying the desired color modification for the element. Click the Send to AI button to process your modification requests and apply them to the design elements automatically. Click the Export to Elementor button to generate the Elementor-compatible code from your modified design. Switch to your WordPress site environment labeled elementor.local to begin integrating the exported design. Click the Pagina menu item to navigate to the Pages section within your WordPress dashboard. Click the Editarcon Elementor button to open the selected page in the Elementor Page Builder for editing. Click within the editing interface to focus on the area where you want to insert your exported design elements. Click the Plantillas option to open the Templates panel where you can manage and insert saved Elementor templates. Click the designated area to prepare for inserting a new template into your page layout. Click the Elige el Archivo button to browse and select the exported Elementor file from your computer. Fill the file selection input by choosing the exported Elementor file to import it into your page. Click the Fecha de Creación option to sort your templates by creation date, making it easier to find the latest export. Click the Insertar button to add the selected Elementor template into your current page layout. Click the Applicar button to confirm and apply the inserted template changes to your Elementor page. You have successfully converted a design image into an editable Elementor page using Img2elementor. Next, explore further customization options within Elementor or publish your page to make it live.